Hello. Welcome to Digital Partners. Today we are going to talk about the 4K UHD Hisense Roku TV with HDR, 2020, model number 75R6C3. More than a smart TV. The Hisense Roku TV R6C3 series is designed with a gorgeous bezel-less design and packs incredible detail into its 4K Ultra HD Dolby Vision HDR-enhanced display. Plus, with Roku TV, it's easy to watch what you love with quick access to thousands of streaming channels, and live TV. R6C3 series key features. The R6C features a 4K Ultra High Definition picture, Dolby Vision HDR that boosts color and contrast, and motion rate 120 technology that makes it easier to follow fast action. Plus, the Roku operating system offers up thousands of free and paid channels, giving everyone in your household something to watch. If you want no new product and technology, please hit subscribe button down. Thank you watching this video.